In this video, I will show you how to change font size in WordPress. If you want to know how it's done, this video is for you. You can see right here that I have in here post open on my WordPress. So I have opened this particular post and I will head over and edit it. So what you can do is you can have in here these options. You have in here your blocks, which is this right here, which is our rectangle or square sort of thing. Now, what you can do is you can click on any block that you want to edit. For example, let's try this one. And then in here, you can see this option right here for settings. Click on settings and head over and click on block. Now, if you want to change the font size, you can see in here the typography. You can see in here that we have in here the size. So you can set a custom size as well, as you can just head over and then select the size from in here. It can be small, medium, large, XL. Or if you want to set a custom size, you can change it up just like this by just toggling over this line bar that you can see in here. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.